What's up guys? Today we're playing Pokemon Defense Tower 2 Generations. Let's get into it. Start. Okay, I'll be back in a second guys. You just wait. Okay, so we're going to do story mode. Let's do new game. Interesting. Oh hey, sorry about that. I'll bring some information on the discovery of new creatures. Now, what was I going to say? Oh yeah! Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Professor Oak, but everyone calls me Professor, the Pokemon Professor. This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. We humans live alongside Pokemon as friends. We battle together and form deep bonds together. Okay, I have a quick question I need to ask you. First, are you a boy or a girl? Boy, of course. I'm Cyrus. I'm Dad. Why do I always call myself Cyrus? Anyway, to make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna choose my name to be Dad. We've almost hit 20 subscribers, and can we hit 20 likes on this video? My name's gonna be Dad. Of course it is. Okay. Funny name you've got there. Which version do you want to play? Would you like to play gold or silver? Gold at least, of course. Thanks, now you're ready to set out on your own adventure. See you later. I can't wait to get my first Pokemon. I can't really decide, they're all so good. What? Chikorita, Cyndaquil, Totodile? Where did these guys come from? Are you guys okay? You look scared. More Pokemon? What are those? Shadow, they don't look very nice. Guys, don't be afraid, trust me. We can beat them together. Okay, I already know this. Let's do Cyndaquil versus Cyndaquil. Let's do Ember. Let's switch out. There. Cyndaquil's more powerful. Oh yeah, you're not using Ember. Okay, Cyndaquil. Totodile then. Let me send out Totodile. Right, let's quickly do something with Totodile's stats. Water gun. Yes, water gun. Done. Boom. Now Chikorita. Shit. Right. I sent it back. Right. Okay, Razor Leaf. Done. Now I can defeat it. We did it! Oh, it was only a dream. Wait, what time is it? I better get going. My first Pokemon awaits. I'm so excited I forgot how to walk. Yes, Arakeys, here I go. Sick? This is not like the Pokemon Tower Defense the first one. This is way different. Good morning, sweetie. It's your big day. Remember, if you want to interact with people or objects in this world, use spacebar or the Z key. You got that? Okay. Now hurry over to the lab. Professor Elm is waiting for you. Wait a minute. Eat your breakfast first. No, I will never eat my breakfast. I thought Professor Oak was the professor. No, bye. Congratulations, Dan. Today, you're getting your first Pokemon. I'm so proud of you. I've seen you grow up into such a great kid. I know you will do good in your journey. Have you decided which one you choose first? No. Do I have to follow you? Oh well, looks not. Okay. Professor Abs, you can't miss it. Can't wait. Okay, it's right, but are you following me? Is she following me? There she is. she following me? I didn't think so. Dan, you made it. Come over and let's talk. No, I'm not going to talk to you. What's this? Professor! You're not the professor. A Pokemon researcher's job is never done. No, I don't want to learn that. I just want to steal all of these. You can smell a nice aroma coming from the Pokeballs. Pokeballs smell nice? Oh well, I didn't know that. Okay, books, TV, now let's just talk. Thanks for stopping by. It's finally time to make your decision. Who will you be choosing? Totodile? I accidentally... It doesn't let you... Oh well, Totodile's my favourite anyway. Okay, wow. Hi Totodile, you're my first Pokemon. I'm so happy to meet you. Haha, you look very energetic. You tried to bite me. It's not okay to bite people. Oh no, don't run away. No! I'm in New Bark Town. You damn it? No. No. I'm going back to Professor. Professor! It ran away. Professor, it ran away. Your Pokemon ran away? You must hurry. I'm going to find it. I'll help you look after it for what I'm saying, I can't English. I'll go help you after I'll help you look after it after I can't even English today. Wait, can I English? You must hurry up and go and find it. I'll go help you look for it after I finish up my work here. There we go. Now I can English. This is the ceremony. Explain this coming from the Pokeball. It's 1 p.m. Hello. Totodile, I found you. Wait, what's going on? Shadow Pokemon, just like Human and others, and the other Pokemon from up here too. Okay, Professor's lab. Oh, this is the tower defense mode. No, Cyndaquil. I mean Chikorita. Go away. No. Totodile, no water gun. I failed. Bow. No! Go away. Okay, I failed this one too. Balls. I got no Pokeballs. Okay, time to go back there. Okay. Come on. No, you're not using Growl. What are you doing? You just let them get away by using Growl. What's wrong with you? You let them get away by using Growl. Why? Oh, well, let's go. Why you use Growl? Okay, let's go. No. This is useless. I'm useless at this game. Okay, yeah, you go there. That happened again. Because of my Totodile. I should have chose Totodile. Toto. Right now. Spawn. Go. Did I do it? Last wave. Go. Bang. Yay! To the water gun. Now use it. Yes. This is the last wave. I can do it. No. You look like, what Pokemon do you look like? Oh, come on. You can do this. Yes. Dan, I'm so glad you and Toto are okay. Even found the missing Pokemon. What? You were attacked by shadow Pokemon? We must report these to authorities. Come, let's go to my lab where it's safe. Go away. Wait, what? Why is there? The Pokemon feel warm to touch. You did really good at Pokemon training. Where's the other Pokemon gone? Where's the other Pokemon gone? Psst. Over in the south part of town. Don't let me follow you. South part of town. Oi. I've been watching you, kid. Don't hurt me. Oh, you scared me, kid. I'm investigating the area. Come back in a week. Run along now. Okay. What do we do now? Woman, help me. After everything, I think I might be able to get my own Pokemon. Maybe. I'll think about it. Maybe can I go this way? No. Who are you? There you are. My old good rival. I just caught a Pokemon not so long ago. I'm eager to test its skills and training. Battle me! It gets the one stronger than me. That's not fair. That means there's basically no point using. Oh, she got another Pokemon. Alert Rage! What does that do? I lost. Dan, I forgot to tell you something important, and that voice must be the old professor. You're going to better go and check it. Check it. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this here. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.